What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Doing Stuff with Darnell, and we're in the kitchen, but I'm doing things a little different today. I'm gonna do this in like a vlog form. It's gonna be everything that I eat in a day. So it's the morning time. It's about 8:13. I've been up since about, like, you see the bags under my eyes. I've been up since about, I've been up for a long time. Didn't get much sleep. Didn't really eat that well yesterday, so I'm feeling a little hungry this morning. This is something that I do when I'm feeling hungry like this in the morning. I make a smoothie, a protein shake, using the Arbonne pea protein vanilla flavor. So that's what I'm gonna do this morning, just get things going, put something in my stomach, because I feel empty right now and usually don't feel empty when I wake up. It's just one of those mornings. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get my stretch on. Then I'm gonna do some some work around the house. I have to redo this. Painting. We just got it's the glare from the, shout out to whoever you is that did this shit dope. But yeah, so I have to re-put that up, make sure it's straight and all this other stuff. But most of the time I'm gonna stretch before I hit the gym. That's something I do every day. Try to get at least 30 to 45 minutes to an hour sometimes of stretching in. I know it might sound like a lot, but man, the way I work out, you need it. But yeah, let me go ahead and make this smoothie. So I'm gonna show y'all. Let me grab the blender from up top, and I'm gonna show y'all how I get this smoothie done. This gonna be it's gonna be a pretty packed protein shake. Vanilla pea protein. I'm doing protein peanut butter. Putting some bananas in that joint. Some berries. Some power greens, which is just a mix of baby spinach, kale, and some other stuff. I'm gonna put some milk and water in that too. So yeah, let me get this thing started. Be right back. Look in my eyes. I'm tired, y'all. I'll be right back though.
Tell you, baby, I could never tell you no. I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why. 'Cause I got you, girl, and you got me. Look at me, I'll take you every photo. Little black dress down on your shoulders. Had a bit too much, I think you know. You a bad girl, you move like a dancer. Yeah, I could always tell that you were right or die. Give you all the world, I spoil you 'cause you're mine. Living proof, how honest I'll give you.
So we could use more ice in this, but it's pretty good. So like I said, depending on what you add, what you take out, it's around, mine's is around with 3 scoops of the protein, the banana, the fruit, the greens, the milk. I feel like I put something else in there, but I didn't. Yeah, that's all around 660 calories. I think I did the calculations. I used the app on my phone. It's called my Net Diary. So the 3 scoops of protein is 240. The banana is 110. The 2 teaspoons of peanut butter, protein peanut butter, is 10 grams of protein, which is pretty good because the Arbonne 3 scoops is 60 grams of protein. Plus that's 10, that's 70 grams of protein. The Arbonne, the peanut butter is 210 calories. The fruit is around 60 calories, and the greens is around 40 calories. So total 660. don't usually count my calories, but yesterday I know I ate way under my usual count. It's probably why I'm hungry this morning, but I'm usually getting between 21 and 2300. If I get that number, if I get anything between those two numbers, I'm good, and I've usually been hitting that. But lately, you know, been a little stressed, so when I'm stressed, I think a lot and cause me not to eat a lot, and so that's what's been going on. But you know, we fight through it. We get through it. Everybody gets stressed. That's a normal feeling. If y'all are stressed out there, just don't think you're the only person. It's normal. It's normal to stress. It's normal to be anxious. It's normal to worry. Those are normal, natural, human emotions that people go through on a daily. So you ain't the only one. But I'm gonna go ahead, drink this, and stretch. But before I do that, I want to show y'all the supplements that I take pretty much every day. Where are they? So I'm usually in the gym, and these are the things that I take. So we gonna keep this betaine anhydrous. Well, I guess since I'm showing it to you, might as well talk about it. So this is it's supposed to boost your strength, endurance, and muscle. I just started this yesterday, so we're gonna see. This is like a month's supply. I might not take it every day, but we're gonna see how this make me feel. It's pretty. It smells bad. I tell you that, it smells bad. But this is something I took yesterday before my workout, but I'm gonna take it a little bit earlier before my workout today. Of course, my aminos help with recovery. The only reason I'm able to be at the gym 5 to 6 days a week. I just started this new pre-workout, woke as fuck. It's pretty good. I mean, when I first started taking pre-workout, I was getting the jitters hard, but now I really feel them. So, and it's supposed to be a high stimulus. It's pretty good. Also take my creatine afterwards with my amino. These two pretty much a package deal for me. They go together, go hand in hand. This is the creatine HC1 from Beyond Raw. Help me stay nice and lean. And of course, I sip on a rain doing my workout. Some good BCAAs in there. Some electrolytes and whatever that is. But it's fairly good. No sugar, you know. Pretty much no carbs. It's just something good, you know, caffeine wise to. I think it's like 300 grams, yeah, natural caffeine, 300 milligrams, not 300 grams, 300 milligrams of natural caffeine, so it's pretty good. So these are the things that I take on the daily and treat my body really, really good. Like I said, I'm gonna show you, this is still a work in progress for me, but we're gonna see how it goes. I guess I can show you what's in the fridge real quick. We shall see. I don't even know what's in there. Actually, I do. We just went shopping. So, welcome to the fridge. This is normally how it looks. Just a bunch of green vegetables. Those are all the sauces. More greens, more vegetables, more fruit. Literally. Fruit. Some guac back there. Yeah, girl love this Topo Chico. It's pretty good. It's a little bit too carbonated for me, but I drink them. That's not mine. But yeah, I got my reins back here. I like these things. They're pretty good. Back there, you see the body armor. Yeah, more sauces. My gallon that I gotta drink every day, which I should take out and start soon. Milk. I don't know what this is. Oh, chicken broth. Okay. Guilty pleasure. This stuff right here. Sometimes all you need is a good spoonful. I try to eat healthy all the time, as you can see, but sometimes it don't work. But yeah, like I said, I try to eat between 21 and 2300 calories a a day. That's pretty good for my body. Also, I go by like the 90-10, 95-5 rule. So if I'm eating healthy 90% of the time, what's 10%? Like I can eat. I can chow down on some this shit right here. This crack. This is crack. I can chow down on some okie doke. Hot popcorn. Hot cheese popcorn. What? Cheese. And don't feel bad. Well, don't feel too bad about it, but you gotta find that balance. So I tell everybody, especially people that I train with, people that call me, that ask for advice, I tell them, look, calculate your calories for a good month. See what your body, how your body responds to things, and what and listen to that. I was noticing that if I ate under, I would feel sluggish. If I ate under 21, kind of how I feel this morning. So if I ate under that, I felt sluggish. If I ate more than that, start feeling big. So I was like, all right, I found my middle ground, my common ground, found my groove where I want to be, and so I'm gonna stay there. So today, oh well, I might as well think about lunch. I think I'm doing skirt steak quesadillas with some lime chips, tortilla chips, and an apple. That's gonna be my lunch, so I might as well take that skirt steak out now and let it thaw. As you can see, it's pretty small. I can get to my skirt steak. I'm just take that out. This is about 24 grams of protein, about 190 calories. So you'll see how I make that later, but I guess right now it's been a long morning intro thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and stretch and get my day going. So I see y'all when I come from the gym. Peace out. Okay, what's up everybody? Welcome back. I just came from the gym. It's time for lunch. I told you I'm doing skirt steak, quesadillas. This whole lunch will be around, I think I got to 1,063 calories, give or take. This is gonna be second meal, or first big meal of the day. It's gonna leave me at around, everything's on the app. I'll be at, after I eat this, I'll be at 1,865 calories for the day. That's pretty solid since it's only 2:18 right now. And this is my first big meal. First real food. I feel okay. Told you I'm a little tired, but that's okay. I'm about to get it in. Here's all my ingredients right here. Got the steak, the cheeses, the tomato basil wraps. I'm gonna do some lime and sesame salt chips. I think I'm gonna do some guac. I got some guac for that, but this is gonna be the main appetite. So I'll be right back. Let me make this and I'll be right back. And here's what we got. We got some sour cream that came in a squeeze bottle. That's different. But we got 2 quesadillas. It's just steak, cheddar, and mozzarella in there. Got an apple, some guac, some sour cream. I might put some sauce in there. So I'm about to tear this down, and I'll be at roughly 800 calories on the day. Doing pretty good. I always try to get in a big lunch after my workout, replenish, get the body the calories and the proteins that it needs to keep going. And I got sour cream on my camera, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean it off. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then I'll see y'all back for dinner. I don't know what I'm doing for dinner. We shall see. Be right back. Well, some hours. Probably around, it's like 3 o'clock almost. See you around 7, 8. And I am, how's this thing going? What's up, y'all? I'm back. It's time for dinner. Dinner is gonna be simple. It's already pre-made. Good thing to meal prep. Some chicken breast, some rice, and some broccoli. Comes out to around 400 calories, and I am at a total of 2,190 calories for today. I told you I'm tired, so I'm not gonna cook. This is a good meal to end your day off with. It's not heavy. It's not heavy. It's not, you know, light, but it's that in the middle. It's filling. Earlier I had a 1,000-calorie meal. I probably ended on probably a bowl of fruit because I love my fruit, especially at night. Do that, and then, you know, go to bed. Told you I'm tired. You can probably see it in my face. But yeah, I'm gonna throw this thing here in the microwave. Eat that, and let me not start that. But that's usually how my meals go for the day. That's pretty much every day. A lot of chicken. Usually don't do beef, so today was special. It's a glare. Sorry. So like I said, I usually don't do beef, but sometimes if I need that extra protein, I go ahead and do it. It's not bad to do once in a while. But yeah, that's usually how I eat. I'm not saying I eat the best. I'm not saying I'm the best cook, but I am. And I do eat pretty healthy, so it's pretty much that 90-10, 95-5 rule. You know, find yours. Whether yours is 70-30, 60-40, whatever makes you happy. That's where we at the end of the day. And I'm kind of tired, so I'm about to close this thing up. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. If y'all want to see more videos like this of what I eat on the weekends, that's a whole different ball game. Whole different ball game. So if you want to see something like that, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I catch y'all in my next video. Peace out.